So as you all know that I started my teeth alignment treatment with toothsi, and I finally have my set of aligners here, and I'm going to unbox this for you guys. So let's see what we have here. Now first we have the toothsi guide. Now you can refer to this for all the information you need, from placing the aligners to removing them, the do's and don'ts, and answer to all the questions that you might have. Then we have a dry box. Now this comes in handy all the times you're not wearing your aligners, like when you're traveling, when you're eating. It keeps them safe and keeps them clean. And yes, then we have a chewy. Now this guy is to help set the aligners with ease, and the greeny widens your smile for great selfies. Then finally we have our aligners. So as you all can see, these are transparent, so you do not have to hit pause on your life, and these are super comfortable and super easy to wear. And I'm sure once you start using these aligners, you're going to notice a significant difference after a few months. So go check out toothsi.in and take the first step to the smile that you've always wanted.